وايش وين بالمسا؟
شبه مايلك
ايش فيها؟ ما سمعت والله. الحين ما فتح حد يشرح.
فين مايلك؟
لكن دقيقة.
We are not talking about the cell-mediated
بدأت تصير؟
So when no antigen available, so when the pathogen activates cell-mediated immunity or humoral immunity, the reason is going to eliminate the pathogen. So when the pathogen is eliminated, there is no reason for the cell-mediated immunity or humoral immunity function. So the system has to be shut down. Because if they work again, any problem. So that's why the system will be shut down. In the cell-mediated immunity by producing anti-apoptotic signal, they kill all the CD4 and CD8 cells. And since there is no antigen, there is no interleukin 2, which is very important for the survival of the cell will die. In humoral immunity, it's also the same thing, because when the pathogen is eliminated, some of the antibody will bind with the antigen. The antigen bind with the immunoglobulin and make an immune complex. So the Fc receptor part of the immunoglobulin is free, and this portion bind with the Fc receptor of the cells and give the negative signal. But if this in the beginning of the reaction, the pathogen directly bind with the Fab, that's why the cells become activated. But at the end of the system, so in the beginning of the immune response, as I say, the pathogen bind directly to the Fc part. That's why they give positive signal and the cell become activated. In the end, as you can see, the signal is reversed. Not the Fab is not functioning, but Fc is functioning. So Fc, when they bind with the Fc receptor on the B cell, they give a negative signal, and the B cell will die. So as you can see here, the binding is through the Fc gamma receptor, 3B, and also CD22. They call it feedback antibody response. So the antibody feedback response or reaction, it means the cell is going to die, the B cell is going to die. So they use this method, they use feedback reaction method to treat some of the diseases. For example, arthritis rheumatoid and also lupus, they produce a lot of antibody, and those antibody cause the problem. What they do for the treatment, they inject a lot of pool of antibody, different antibody to the patient. So what it happened, they bind the antibody is there in the patient and shut down all the B cells. They call it IDIT. IUIG treatment, it means they give them plenty of immunoglobulin to the patient, and by the feedback reaction, they treat the patient. Because these patients produce a lot of antibody, so there is a lot of B cell dysfunction. So by this way, they shut down all the B cells that is available in the patient and treat the patient. This method is called IUIG. This is the whole picture of the function of the humoral immunity, which Dr. Mousa told you all of them before. I'm not going to go through all these because Dr. Mousa told you all these. So I'm just going to review it, how they do it. So by production of the antibody, first, they neutralize the pathogen. This is one way. Another way, they activate the monocytes by oxidation. So oxidation means that the pathogen binds to the antibody, and through the FC receptor they activate the macrophage, and the macrophage kills the pathogen. And another way is to activate NK cells by antibody-dependent cellular cytotoxicity. As you can see here, they have an antibody here, the antibody bind with the NK cells. So the Fab part of this antibody can recognize the infected cells and they kill them. And also they activate the complement, and the complement by itself can lyse it, and also complement can oxidate the macrophage, the same way they do here, and also they activate a lot of neutrophil, which causes the inflammation. So it is the whole story about the immune response, and the last graph actually shows you how the immunoglobulin is working. So you can read it, and you should understand exactly what is mentioned there. So it is all about the humoral immunity. If you have any question about the humoral cell-mediated immunity or antigen response, everybody is full. So everybody will get 100 from 100. Inshallah. Okay, one of your friend asked me about the competition, the exam, how many exam points will be in the final. 85% is about after midterm. So 85% of the question is based on after midterm lectures, which including MSc, antigen molecule, cell-mediated the response to lecture, and oral lecture, 85%, and 15% is to the midterm. You know, so it's not that very bad for you, and you already had on your midterm exam. So 85 after, 15 before midterm. This is clear. 85% after the midterm, 15% before midterm. The question is. So you don't have any question?
Dr. the mark, 15 mark?
What?
15 mark?
From the table, no.
The mark. Total mark.
Total mark is 100, yeah, it's 100, but it's going to include 85% the whole mark, because 5 mark coming from your attendance and 10 for your presentation. What is the AP score?
10 for the attendance?
No, 5 for attendance. So try to study that whoever is the multiple choice, we was going to implant those people who choose by random. We was going to give negative mark for the people who choose negatively. So try to pass this time, because if you don't pass it this time, next year we will apply it. So if you don't know the answer, it's better to leave it. If you choose it by the chance, if you have 4 wrong, they reduce 1 point from your market.